Missing royalties, what do I do? Now, I've had the misfortune to experience this as well. I understand your frustration and stress. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to retrieve your royalties as soon and as fast as possible. First, don't panic. Check if your banking information is right. Once you've determined you have the correct banking information and confirmed there are no issues from your banking side, the next step would be to contact them from the number I am providing. So this number right here is a Kindle contact number. You can contact them through email too. However, I would recommend calling because when you communicate with them through email, things can fall through the cracks as it's a new agent you deal with every time you submit an email, generally speaking. So there's more room for error and miscommunication. I know this from experience. Once you have someone on the line, you're going to identify yourself as a publisher and request to be put through to the department that handles publisher inquiries. They will request some basic information from you, such as name, address, etc., so they can pull up your account. Once you've reached the next agent, you will advise them of your missing royalties problem and request to speak to the payroll department. Now, some of the less experienced agents may tell you there is no such options, but you must firmly advise them to check. And once they have checked, they will connect you to the liaison/specialist. So this is how the process looks, just to give you an overview. So you connect with agent 1 when you call that number, and then you'll be transitioned to agent 2, and then from agent 2, you will be sent to the liaison/specialist. They don't give out direct access to the number of the payroll department, but have senior agents mediating between you, the payroll department, and your royalties. From there, this agent will be assigned to your case and will further investigate and look into retrieving your royalties, which could take between 3 to 5 business days or even longer. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you have, please remember to like, subscribe, and share.